Standard 9th History, Lesson number 3, India's Internal Challenges. Students, today I am going to give you all the textual question answer markings of the third lesson of history, India's Internal Challenges. So open your textbooks to page number 14. The first question, write briefly. In that we'll see the first one. Which demands were put forward through the Anandpur Sahib resolution by the Akali Dal? The answer to this question is on page number 10. Left hand side, second paragraph. See, it is highlighted in blue. The unrest in Punjab. In that paragraph, see the third line. Okay. Now children, for this answer 1.1, there's an introduction. So you start your answer with an introduction. I'll just read out the introduction for you all. In 1973, the Akali Dal passed the Anandpur Sahib resolution. The following demands were made in this resolution. So these two sentences which I read, that was the introduction of answer 1.1. After writing this two lines introduction, you are going to start with these points. The first point, Chandigarh should be made part of Punjab. Second, the Punjabi speaking parts in other states should be included in the state of Punjab. Third, recruitment of people from Punjab in the Indian Army should be increased. Fourth, more autonomy should be given to the state of Punjab. Then leave a line, see the next line. Fifth, they were asked for a larger share of river waters for Punjab. And the last, that is the sixth point, holy city status for Amritsar. After Amritsar you are going to write was asked. Okay, holy city status for Amritsar was asked. So this answer, it comprises of 6 points. Answer 1.1, 6 points. Now we'll go to the next question. 1.2. What can we do to end communalism? What can we do to end communalism? The answer to this question is on page number 13. Yeah, 1.2. Answer 1.2. First point. It is necessary that we all counter this religious communalism with all our strength. Second, for this we should mix with people of different religions. Third, we should accept the good practices and ideas of each other. Fourth, we should be able to look at and understand our economic and social problems rationally. Fifth, we should not mix these questions with religion. Sixth, we should search for the economic, political, or historical reasons that are responsible for disturbing religious harmony. And the seventh and the last point, this is the only way to put an end to communalism and strengthen India's national unity. So this is answer 1.2, 7 points. Now we'll go to the next question. 1.3. When does regionalism become strong? The answer to this question is on page number 13. Yeah, 1.3. Right hand side, count the lines from the top. First, second, third, fourth, the fifth line. Okay, this is your first point. Answer 1.3, first point. The opportunities of development available to the people in developed states are not possible for people in backward states. Second point, they are harassed by problems of education, backwardness, unemployment, poverty, etc. Third, they begin to think that they are being cheated. They are being kept away from the benefits of development. Fourth, because of this, the understanding between states is broken. Fifth and the last point, this in turn has a negative impact on national unity. So this is answer 1.3, 5 points. Now we'll go to the next sub-question. Sub-question 2. Explain the following concepts in your own words. Explain the following concepts in your own words. We'll see the first one, communalism. The answer to this communalism is on page number 12. Let us go to page number 12. Here, right hand side, first paragraph, answer 2.1. Answer 2.1. First paragraph, second line. Communalism emerges out of narrow religious pride. This is your first point. After that, leave 3 lines. The next line is your second point. There's nothing wrong in people of different religions living together in a country while being duly proud of their own religion. Third point. But when this pride becomes excessive, then it turns into bigotry. Fourth point. Each one then begins to consider their religion superior and others inferior. Fifth point. This leads to religious fanaticism. And the last point, sixth and the last point, fanaticism is the base of communalism. So answer 2.1, it comprises of 6 points. Next, we'll go to 2.2. Question number 2.2, that is regionalism. The answer to this is on page number 13. Regionalism is on page number 13. Here. 2.2, answer 2.2. Left hand side, second paragraph. It's highlighted over here. Regionalism is already highlighted in your textbook. So in that paragraph, see the first line, first point. Regionalism means having excessive pride about one's region. After that, you're going to leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines. Okay, 10 lines, and see the next paragraph in regionalism. That's your second point. Regionalism thrives on regional imbalance in development. Okay, so you're in this left hand side, you have 2 points. Now for your third point, you're going to see the right hand side part on the same page. Okay, see the right hand side, that this third point is in the first paragraph of right hand side on page number 13. See the right hand side. So first paragraph, third line over here only, just bang opposite the paragraph of regionalism. That's your third point. The people of developed states begin to believe that they are superior. This third point is incomplete. After superior, you're going to write the word and then you leave 2 lines. After that, see the third line, that is a continuation of your third point. And look down upon the people of undeveloped regions. I'm reading out the third point once again. The people of developed states begin to believe that they are superior and look down upon the people of underdeveloped regions. Then fourth point, leave a line. The next line is your fourth point. On the other hand, the people from the backward areas, leave another line. This is incomplete. Fourth point is again incomplete. Backward areas. Next, try to unnecessarily glorify local traditions and culture to prove their uniqueness. So the fourth point is again into 2 parts. On the other hand, the people from backward areas try to unnecessarily glorify local traditions and culture to prove their uniqueness. And the fifth and the last point, this leads to regionalism. This leads to regionalism. After regionalism, there's it over there. Cancel that it. And in place of it, you write which. W-H-I-C-H. Which. So the fifth point, this leads to regionalism which endangers national unity. So this is answer 2.2, 5 points in totality. Now next we'll see Okay. Question number 2 is over. Now we'll see the give reason. Question number 3, give reasons. We'll see the first give reason, that is 3.1. It became necessary to carry out the operation Blue Star. Now the answer for this question is on page number 10. Let us go to page 10. Here. Left hand side, last paragraph. Page 10, left hand side, last paragraph, first line. In 1980, the movement for independent Khalistan took root in Punjab. That's your first point. After that, leave 4 lines. See the second point. This armed, A is a small a over here. Change it to capital A. Okay. Armed followers started gathering around the staunch Khalistan supporter Sant Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale. Then third point. During that period, terrorist activities had begun. Fourth point. Leave 3 lines. The next line will be your fourth point. The situation worsened. Fifth point. Due to these developments, President's rule was imposed in Punjab in 1983. Leave a line. Then you have your sixth point. Bhindranwale's followers captured the Golden Temple and built a, the remaining continuation of point number 6 is right hand side first line. Built a barricade of sandbags over there. Okay, that's point number 6. It's still incomplete. Continue. This greatly disturbed the peace in Punjab. After that, cancel it was a, and in place of that you will write which. Okay, so this greatly disturbed the peace in Punjab, which was a major challenge to Indian democracy. So total 6 points, and your 7th point is the question itself, because it is explain the statements. It's like give reason. So you always need to end your answer with hence, therefore. Okay, so your 7th point, the last point, is your question itself. Let us see the question. Yo, 3.1. Hence, 7th point, it became necessary to carry out the operation Blue Star. So that is answer 3.1, which comprises of 10 points. Okay, answer 3.1, not 10 points, I'm sorry. Answer 3.1, it comprises of 7 points. 6 points are marked over here, and the 7th one is from the question itself. Now we'll see the next one, 3.2. 3.2. We should fight communalism with all our strength. This answer is repeated. This answer is same as answer 1.2. Where's 1.2? Over here. What can we do to end communalism? And we should fight communalism with all our strength. The answer to both these questions is the same. So the answer for give reason 2 is same as answer 1.2. Okay, which is on page number 13, 7 points. Now we'll see the last question, question number 4. Write the full forms of. The first one, MNF. MNF is on page number 11. NNC, second one, NNC also is on page number 11. Let us see page number 11. What's the full form of MNF? Here, Mizo National Front, MNF. That's 4.1. Then 4.2 also is on the same page, NNC, Naga National Council. Then the third one is PL. Here, third one is PLGA. PLGA. The answer for this full form is on page number 12. Let us see page number 12. Here it is. Left hand side, last paragraph, second last line. PLGA. People's Liberation Guerrilla Army. PLGA. So children, I have given you all the markings of all the textual question answers of lesson number 3. I want you all to write down these answers in your history notebook. Thank you, boys.